Osu Choshido Sethek 6 Dio, and today I'll be doing my daily Rubik's Cube solve. So this is the scramble that I got, and I would be fast forwarding my inspection. San ni ichi. I haven't been practicing that last one, so I didn't know which way X was. I knew I had to turn it X, but I'm so used to turning it X prime that I forgot which way was X. And then I forgot that algorithm. Like, I know it, but I haven't done that algorithm in so long, it took me a second. And then I remembered it's basically just like a sledge. R, but it's double R. Yeah, this goes to show that I have to practice every algorithm every day. Because I just got really lucky with that one. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you have a scramble you want me to solve, leave it in the comments.